Hello and welcome to the weekly Kashmir University Video Digest Quest. First, a look at the highlights. Seminar on Environment Protection held. 10-day workshop on econometrics concludes. And Justice Kirmani delivers lecture on access to justice. Now, the details with your host, Rafia Rahim. The Center of Research for Development and Department of Environmental Sciences, in collaboration with Dean College Development Council, organized a 2-day seminar on environment protection. The seminar was held in the Gandhi Bhavan Auditorium. Assistant Professor, Department of Environmental Science, Dr. Ruqayya Nazir, presented the welcome address.
The theme of this national seminar is the campaign that we have thought of as having utmost importance in this era of different and diverse environmental issues. With many hundreds of events everywhere from the mountains of Kashmir to Barcelona's Motorcycle Grand Prix, World Environment Day 2016 is shaping up as a day of amazing diversity and creativity in the celebration of our shared environmental and the need to protect it from the threats ranging from wildlife crime to pollution. It's with this motive that we are organizing this event of national seminar to highlight the stresses caused by climate changes and other global environmental challenges which need special attention and treatment.
Director CORD, Professor Bashir Ahmed Ganai, lamented that people realize the importance of nature only when we have either lost it or are about to lose it.
Nature regenerates so quickly, so completely through, though we hardly view ourselves, otherwise we too are part of nature. The gifts of nature to living beings are uncountable, but we realize their importance only when we have lost them. Humans inarguably had a great influence on nature and thereby drastically reduced the geographic range and population of thousands of species of plants and animals and driven many to extinction. In view of this, the current massive degradation of habitat and extinction of species is taking place on a catastrophically short time scale, and their effects are expected to fundamentally reset the future evolution of the planet's biota. Major issues related to biodiversity include climate change, deforestation, habitat loss and fragmentation, overexploitation, invasive species, pollution, disruption of biogeochemical cycles, poaching and illegal trade.
Dean College Development Council, Professor Nilofer Khan, said that the university is organizing such awareness programs consistently to raise consciousness among the masses.
The present program is being organized in our university for last so many years, and with belief I can say that this particular program has its importance in the university, has its importance in our society, in our community, because it's a very important program by which we make our masses aware about the various environmental issues.
Dean Biological Science, Professor Azra Kamili, said that the annual event is aimed at creating positive environmental action and to protect the planet Earth.
World Environment Day is an annual event that's aimed at being the biggest and most widely celebrated global day for positive environmental action and to protect the nature and the planet Earth. That the seminar would act as a multi-stakeholder interactive platform that would help to charter future growth of researchers. This forum would also address the impact of climate change, particularly the adverse pollution levels in all components of the environment, particularly the biosphere, and would encourage the young scientists or research scholars to undertake need-based resource-specific research in the area.
The Vice-Chancellor's Coast Kashmir, Professor Nazir Ahmed, opined that the industrialization is the main reason for environmental pollution.
When we just go into pre-industrialization era and the post-industrialization era, absolutely in the pre-industrialization, it was a very happy situation where man and nature, they were coexisted and absolutely it was going on well. There was a balance in our environment and there was a peaceful existence with the man, animals and the nature. And everything was going on well. But what we are seeing in the post-industrialization, I think that has begun with environmental degradation and pollution.
Professor Satyanarayana Swamy from the University of West Georgia, USA, who was the guest of honor, said, apart from maintaining sustainable development, we must not lose focus on environment.
There is economic activity need to take place. There is sustainable activity need to be take place. But at the same time, we also need to be aware of it, how much of it, the damage it's going to take, what are the pros, what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages. There are ways, you're experts here in this room, and then probably there are a whole bunch of presentations that are going to be there to suggest the sustainable ways of the growth. And mass growth without having a respect for the environment is not going to be sustainable. Yes, it might be able to give you a few economic advantages today, but down the road, we all need to face.
On the occasion, a journal was also released. On valedictory function, an AMMRC documentary film directed by engineer Abdul Rashid was screened.
Dal to Zani, Padayas. Dal of Nawish, Bilko Timan, Iman Yamakan, Iman Derwau, Iman Servau, Chivichara.
Kharabi gay, Ashwinkanas, Chantantal Urbasan, Timan Sunuka, Sahara Bicharan, Timbanamhan Jayal Sorgas, Tathayak Water, Governmental, Kharabi Asidal Kenta.
We have a big problem of encroachment around the lake. We have a problem of illegal constructions around the lake. We have put our foot down, and during the last 3 or 4 months we have been able to demolish more than 200 structures.
If we look at the problems of the Dal Lake, we have failed to provide a vision for the restoration of this lake.
A program for shifting of the houseboats, which is these 380 houseboats in the front side of the Dal Lake. They are being shifted to Doldum. The project has already been approved by the cabinet.
Let me tell you, Doldum area of the lake is where we have the maximum number of lake bed springs, which are responsible to contribute 30% of the lake water. Right now the houseboats are at the tail end where the water is exiting. The pollution exits out of the lake from those areas. But if you take them upstream, then you are having an apprehension that any mishap can also pollute that area of the lake, and that would be a very serious pollution.
The organizers later felicitated him for his effort. The Department of Economics organized a 10-day-long workshop on econometrics. The 10-day workshop on basic and applied econometrics was organized in collaboration with the Indian Econometric Society. Head Department of Economics Professor Ifat Yasmin, while presenting the welcome address, said that there is a strong feeling that social science research is on decline in India.
There is a strong feeling, though not empirically proved, that social science research is declining in India, and social science research is growing better outside university system. If we talk about the institution that Vanamurthy is working in, or the institutions that is CSDS, and number of other institutions where social science research is growing better than university system. So what is the reason for this sorry state of affairs, and what needs to be done needs a serious kind of investigation at the university level.
Controller of Examination Professor Abdul Salam Bhatt said there are various factors that influence consumer behavior.
There are various determinants which influence consumer behavior, starting from law of demand. But quite different to know what is the size and strength of those independent variables, whether it is the price of the commodity, price of other commodities, consumer tastes, region, religion, age of the consumer, and whatnot. And here it is, whether it is the cross-sectional data, whether it is the time series data, whether it is the panel data, econometrician comes us and tells us what in terms of priority are the most important factors that influence this consumer behavior.
Secretary IES Professor K. Shanmugan said that the aim of econometrics is to train students so that they take it further.
If there is a high price, every farmer start cultivating that. In the process, we find that the price is going below the cost. It is simply because the farmers and the agro-related industries do not have much idea about the markets. Otherwise, they will do the better things, not only the country, for themselves. So, econometric society is propelling to go down in the each and every part of this country through teachers and students like you. We cannot go directly. It is our endeavor to come to Kashmir, come to Kanyakumari, come to any part of this country, train the people. In turn, you will train your student further. One day will come, the econometrics will be used as currency is used. And that is our aim in the Indian Econometric Society. An executive council has been putting tremendous amount of effort to do this.
Former Dean Social Science Professor B.A. Khan encouraged students that they should not shy away from using new methods in econometrics.
Samuelson came up with reverse reference theory, and after that, because of Samuelson's reverse reference theory and because of econometric method of analysis, Hicks was forced to revise his earlier version and presented a new book, Revision of Demand Theory. So what I'm trying to say is, and Hicks himself says that this new method, by which he means econometric method, mind you, the year was 1956, he says that this new method should be used not as a substitute for economics, but it should be used as complementary to economics. And if you make simultaneous use economics and econometrics, not only you become better, efficient economists, but your employability also increases. I have seen that students with a background of econometrics, an average student, no, I will not talk about an average student with a knowledge of econometrics can easily qualify in an economic service.
Noted economist and former Dean Social Science Professor Nisar Ali asked students to take up various data and so that quantitative parameters are known for the benefit of administration.
We still have a lot of scope and unknown areas. These are the virgin areas in our state that much of the quantitative parameters are not known today for our policy purposes. I believe, because I did quite a little work on the state's economy, we are in a deep crisis because our governing institutions, they are hardly equipped with technical parameters. We spent a lot of money in 1980s and brought some agency in Delhi to develop input-output models for J&K. They started work and left halfway. Probably the data was and took a lot of money from the government. Probably the data either was a handicap or some other handicap. But today, the situation is different. Today, you are equipped with huge time series data and cross-section data and from multiple sources, not from one source. Even NSS data cross-section convert into time series cross-section based. You can go for fitting these models, come out with the parameters, with the values for the policy and the government.
Assistant Professor Mr. Javed Iqbal Khan conducted the proceedings of the function, while Dr. Sakina Rathir proposed the vote of thanks. The Department of Law organized a one-day workshop on access to justice. Justice retired B.A. Kirmani was the chief resource person. Justice Kirmani told students that the system that has been imported in the subcontinent does not have the mettle to stand up.
Ashu chu badqismati system chu ashu tulmut Europe. Yem zan wasail san chi tim European wasail ke. Natij chu yi ki ashu chu America ki mevug beol tromut Kashiriya Hindustan ki zeminas maz. Ye zemin maz chunu ye beol khasan ke achan so khaslati ke. Natij chu ki nushu Ameriki bana to nushu barasagir rozan. Yeh surat chi gam sair se. Na to os masan izan Hindustan as maz judiciary بحثیت انسٹیٹیوشن بحثیت ادارے یہ ختم یہ بالکل نا ات آخری اخ دنن گژھی پی پتھر کلیتن پی پتھر تر وجہ یہ کہ یہ سسٹم امہ سسٹم خاطر سون سماج یہ سسٹم جذب کرنے خاطر تیار کہ یمچ میژ یمچ خمیر یہ مختلف ہمہ خمیر نش یت من سسٹم بنیامت मसलन हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान बर सगीरस मज पंचायत आसान पंच परमेश्वर अफगानिस्तान मज तम जिरगो करान सिख करान अरदासे मुसलमान करान कसम कुरान बह ग दसगिर साहब हेरी पे कर कसम इत मामले निभान आज वन नसा यह जहालत अस बनाओ अदालत अत बनो जज अमिस ट्रेनिंग यह जान कानून सह कानून अमलन कुन अदालत मज वर्तावन अगर जज कानून तथ शक्ल मज बेहन वर्तावन ये शक्ल मज कहीं केस गि डिसाइड कुन केस लगे फैसले.
He suggested that the legal aid should be kept under the trial judge for helping those who cannot pay legal fee.
Yus legal aid mahkam son timan kitkai zanan ki kamis insanas zarurat legal aid. Yeh sirf temis judges pata yus trial judge chu ki yim fariq chu yimon mans kas legal aid bakar. Ye at youth zoot ye mod karne bagair gos ye ponsu sirf district judges nish rozun. District judge विषय यमो दोयो फरीको मज कुस छु गरीब पत युसु वना छु तिशा पोज किन तिशु जुलुम अगर सो गलत छु तेल क्यों दमोस अगर हक छु तेल दमोस ट्रायल जजेस बगैर हेक कहीं वचित कहां ते वच सो आइस न सही के अतनस छु इंस्टीट्यूशनलाइज करने जरूरत सुप्रीम कोर्टस मज अगर जर का इंसान गसे मुकदम करने तत छु वकील हवा अकिस पेशी फीस छु 2 लाख पे शुरू गसान 2 लाख छु सारी वक्त काम 2 लाख 5 लाख 10 लाख 15 लाख अकिस पेशी युस यूता बोर्ड वकील छु तम सुन फीस तोता बोर्ड व कत्या लुक हिंदुस्तान मज तिम यम जन 5 लाख 6 लाख 2 लाख 3 लाख हेकन अकिस पेशी फीस दित गोया सुप्रीम कोर्टुक अमलन हद इख्तियार गो महदूद तिमन कचन ताम हतन नफर यम जन वरियस मज 3 करोड़ रुपया हेकन खर्च करित.
With this, we come to the end of today's program. In case you have missed some part of the program, log on to ammrckashmir.com, where you can watch whole episode. Send us your suggestions at our email address quest@ammrckashmir.com. Before I take your leave, here are few words of wisdom. Study without desire spoils the memory, and it retains nothing that it takes in.